Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I came to Kodaikanal and it is one of the hill station of Tamil Nadu. And this place is very cold. They don't even have ceiling fans over here like Kohima, Darjeeling, Shimla. And this place is so peaceful. Finally I'm back in the mountains. Feeling is so great, but it is making me feel sick because of sudden weather change and everything. And the best thing about backpacking is that I'm just getting connected with other person, and that other person is connecting me with some other person, and it's like a networking. It's going for a long and which is so nice, and I'm enjoying it. Finally, Krish is here and he's going to show me around.
Shall we go?
Yes, I'm ready. So, guys, here is Krish and he is going to show me around Kodaikanal. So, guys, this is Kodaikanal. We are riding on the straight road of Kodaikanal and it is so freezing cold.
You want an extra jacket or something?
No, it's okay.
This is how cold it gets.
Yes.
You don't have to worry much.
When I was in my room, oh my god, it was so freezing cold. I went inside the blanket.
Kodaikanal, I'll tell you one thing, okay? It's all about the climate.
Okay.
And everything in fact is freezing cold, obviously.
Yes, even water. But finally, I'm so happy to be in the mountains. Suddenly, I don't know from where the fog comes and it becomes so foggy, zero visibility.
And it clears off also.
Guys, look at the Kodaikanal weather, how foggy it is. Can you see the road behind me? It has zero visibility. And thank you so much, Krish, for taking it. It feels like it's raining.
Oh, it's just the droplets.
Yeah,
from the
fog. Oh my god, this is like a ghost city सामने. I don't know what to say, I'm speechless. This ride is so peaceful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. We are riding inside forest. And here is Krish. I'm gonna put horror background music in this video. So guys, now we are going inside the pine forest and I'll show you in some time how it looks.
Wanna see an angry monkey? ஆமா ஆமா ரைட் நான் பேசுறேன் அதான் அன்னைக்கே
They're all
சொல்லிருக்கேன்
so
அவங்க தான்
angry.
இல்ல சார் நான் ஒரு கேட்டுட்டு சொல்றேன்னு சொல்லி அவங்க சொன்னாங்க. இல்ல அது ஓகே அது அவங்க அப்பவே பேசுங்கன்னு சொல்லி நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். உடனே
So guys, we're finally inside the pine forest. You can see. Yes.
சரி ஓகே நான் உடனே பேசுறேன்.
And this is so amazing.
When you take up,
Yes. So guys, enjoy the pine forest. I don't know what to say, guys. Just enjoy the nature and calmness. This place will charge your, soul. It's so peaceful. It is so amazing.
So down here you'll have wood houses. So that's for Western concept now of houses made out of woods and stuff. That's also a French property.
Guys, I'm really grateful to Krish. He's explaining me about each and everything. This is what happens, when you go with locals. They know about each and everything and they explain it so nicely. We have got traffic jam because of 2 dogs. So we are going down now. Hello.
But now they've closed it off.
It's not visible.
Try increasing your brightness.
Can you see?
No. Okay, cool. We'll give it a shot tomorrow.
So guys, I visited all the famous places of Kodaikanal, but nothing was visible. So we are going back.
Give it a shot tomorrow.
Yes, I'll try to vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll try to show you. And that road, if you can see down, that is a place which is not even on Google. And there is nothing to say or vlog about, because this place it speaks for itself. It is so peaceful. We are riding inside the forest. Yeah, it's a forest kind of thing and we are riding inside it. I'll show you the roads. So guys, we are going through this. This is so peaceful.